Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So long story short, this video was supposed to be a lot longer than what it's probably going to be at this point, but I have had such a long day. So today is May 16th, I think. It is currently around 4:30 p.m. and today we are finding out the gender of our baby. Finally, we're gonna find out, baby V, if it's a girl or a boy. And I have my sisters here, my sister that lives with me, and then my sister that doesn't live with me, and my mother-in-law is also going to be here, which I know is not very good for like social isolating, but we've all been kind of like seeing each other, visiting each other, because my sister has me watch her kids sometimes and things like that, and then my suegra, you know, she comes over. So it is still going to be a very small party. It's just me, my man, or my husband, my little girl, and then my sisters and my suegra. So I wanted to share with you guys this very special moment. Like I said, I wanted to vlog since the morning. I actually had planned to do a get ready with me, but my sister, my young sister, the one that lives with me, she actually surprised me and my older sister with a little facial and a neck and shoulder massage, which was amazing. So we did get spoiled today. It was her Mother's Day gift to us. So I didn't have time to like film, because by the time I got back, I still had to like clean the house a little bit and then get some like decorations ready, get myself ready. And so I didn't have time to really like get ready with you guys, but I'm going to show you guys what I'm wearing for today. My little girl and my cousin, my niece, they were blowing up some balloons, and I'm going to show you guys my OOTD for today. So oh my gosh, I look so tan. So I'm wearing this, I don't know, like a tie-dye type of dress. Oh my gosh, I need to clean my hand. It's like a tie-dye dress that I ordered from Route 21 from a while ago, and it's super cute. It has a little like hoodie on it, and I really like it because it kind of like gives me a little booty, since I don't have much of a booty. You can see my belly. It's super cute. And then I just paired it with some sneakers. These are also from Route 21, and I'm just wearing some little ankle bracelets. So I think we're just gonna finish putting up some decorations, and then we're gonna make some hamburgers, and then we're gonna pop the confetti and see what we have, boy or girl. Okay, we're gonna get knocked out. You guys ready?
I don't know how they want to do it.
Yeah, like go around in a circle. So, correct, so practice shot. So with these things, so basically just pitch it now. Right? So just pitch it towards can I get my decent? Yes. Like your dad with it.
Love you, Mom.
I love you, chiquita. Go with Tia Lupita so she can show you how to open it.
Where do you get it?
No, because I'm going to hit it. I don't want to hit her.
So, right, see where that's that right there. That's where you want it. So do a practice one.
Don't kill me.
That's too high.
Yeah, do that. There you go. No.
A ver si no lo casa Karina, ¿eh?
Do you want us to twist it?
When do you want us to twist it?
Right after you hit. As soon as you hit,
After I hit, yeah.
As soon as you hit, can you
Now
see?
you
Twist.
ready?
Oh my gosh, that's
But shoot up, buddy. Make sure you shoot straight up.
Josie, grab it right here, the bottom. Twist. Hold on. I'll tell you when.
She'll pop it before.
Okay.
It's easy to twist. I just
Yeah.
Go. Ready? Go. Ready, set.
Yeah, cameras.
Ready?
Go.
Roll!
was on purpose. It's a boy! Go ask Daddy.
Yeah, this one didn't go off. Sorry.
I told you.